Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'll be sharing with you a method on how to get free Robux. I'm sure we all know by now that all these Robux generator websites are all fake. We know this, we've been knowing this, and now it's time to actually get into the real methods. There are only a handful of methods in which we can actually acquire Robux without, losing our self-respect and our self-worth. And one of the ways includes Google and Microsoft Bing. Now, I know what you're thinking. All these scams. No, trust me. This is a legit method. I use it by myself, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Like I said before, the only things you're actually going to need is Microsoft Bing and Google. So the first thing you want to do is search up Microsoft Rewards. Microsoft Rewards is a program in which users can actually gain points in order to obtain gift cards that they may use in games, such as Robux, gift cards, Sea of Thieves, and things of that nature. So once you get to the Microsoft Rewards page, they're going to ask you to sign in. Don't worry, it doesn't take much time. And guys, this is not sponsored, so you know this is legit. They're going to ask you to sign in, and let me show you how the dashboard looks like. So there are your points that you can acquire by completing certain tasks. There are three ways in which you can actually acquire points, and those ways include streaks, searching up things, and completing the tasks that they give you every single day. Now, here are my recommendations on how to actually get the most points in order for you to get your points that are required to get your Robux gift cards. One is to get a phone and a laptop, because you can acquire points on your phone and you can also acquire points on your laptop or desktop or whatever computer device that you use. Another way would be to make Microsoft Bing your default browser and have it start up whenever you turn on your computer or your PC. Now remember, this isn't required. It's just a recommendation, because having it start up whenever you turn on your PC will subconsciously make you use Microsoft Bing in order for you to get your points. So whether, you're searching up toe pics or pics of Livy Dunn, I don't know, and I don't care. As long as you're getting your searches in every day, you are able to get up to 90 points a day from your PC and up to 60 points a day from your phone. And the cheapest Roblox gift card is 1,500 points. So if you do the math, it wouldn't really take you much time. The cheapest you can get would be 1,500 points, which would amount to 100 Robux. And the most expensive would be 15,000 points, which would of course take you much more time, but I don't know if it's worth it. So yeah, keep doing that every single day, and that is how you get free Robux. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, guys. I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers so I can get paid. I need cash. I'm a college student, and yeah, bye.